What about this one? Big guns.
Go on, carry it.
I'm not
Do
doing
it,
it.
Topper.
I'm not doing it.
This is the big guns prank. As you can probably see, they did name it after it. So.
I'm not doing that. I'll be tough on.
Go on.
No, that'd be ridiculous.
Love it.
Yeah, well,
Right, just love it.
we'd get too many women at doing the shot, won't we? When I'm working there, so. Ready? Okay. I'm not doing it.
Come on, it's fun.
No, I'm not doing it.
Everyone's up there.
No, I'm not doing it.
Go on.
Well, I haven't seen your physical until I greeted you.
No, I'm not doing it.
Smile when I saw that girl upon your arm, and you should run your heart with a
Who wants to
big
see that?
soul boy. Let's hit the dance.
Everyone. Okay. It'll put people off buying it. Right. Big guns.
Yeah, dude. Big lads, yeah.
That's not funny though, is it?
Big lads, yeah. But big guns fight. This is sort of like the tiger for.
They're coming halfway through. So no, lads, no. There's only a small one. There's only a small one.
Hello. Basically, this is the fact I want if they're looking for some power. It's called the Big Guns, and I probably noticed that I've named it after myself, because I am Big Gun. I've got plenty of power myself, and that's why I've blocked my list over week, hitting someone if I get sweet. But nevertheless, these fireworks are probably a little bit more stronger and powerful than myself. There's not many fireworks like that, I'll be honest with you, because I am extremely powerful.
Why are you slowly being branded?
I've just broke that one. That's probably to do with me being
That's the one you'll be receiving.
so